We are confident that the JCPS students will be as successful as those students attending 3DE schools in other parts of the country. We are thrilled that the Gheens Foundation has made an extraordinary $300,000 gift and contribution to help us meet our fundraising goal. We urge the community to step forward in joining the Gheens Foundation and help us to meet the goal that will allow us to provide 3DE for thousands of JCPS high school students. We are excited about serving the entire freshman classes of our lead schools, Valley High School and the Academies of Shawnee next fall, and following Iroquois High School and another to be chosen thereafter.
We went into Banneker High School, Atlanta Public Schools, and not too far from the Atlanta International Airport. And we walked into the school and listened to the conversations they were having about content. They were working on solving a problem they were partnering with the Atlanta International Airport and solving a particular problem to help them out. And then they would be making a presentation to them using core content and their content knowledge and their pathway to solve that problem.
If you have or been around high school students, you know they need motivation. They're not going to just learn math when it's down the road. That it doesn't ring true to them right now. So they need to learn and engage and collaborate now on authentic challenges, and that's what the 3DE system brought to us. And when we saw it, it just was a vehicle for our business partners to get inside our classrooms academically.
This has been several years in the making that we've been meeting with Junior Achievement and JCPS, so it's thrilling that it's come to fruition. We're looking forward to next year when this launches. We can't wait, and we urge anyone that's on the sidelines to join us in this innovative project that's going to happen here.
What I'm hoping is that this becomes a wave of future business partners saying, what can we do to get inside of these schools, and what can we do to make sure that community continues to be shown in our students? Because that's really my belief, that if we put more community in our schools, that we'll see more community in our students, and then we'll see our students start to shape our community.